Alright, so it's a change of plan. I decided to go out at 12 o'clock and got a text. Come down to the smoothie bar. So I thought, well, might as well, hadn't I? And I'm kind of wishing that I didn't walk. I should just get a BART bus, really. It'd be quicker. It only costs like 10 pence, 20 pence to get down there. But we'll see. I'll get down there. It'll be a laugh tonight, I think. Can't believe I'm doing this, but I know it'll be a laugh for that guy there. He's funny. I can just imagine. I'm just laughing now, yeah, because I know what it's going to be like. You'll see in a minute. He might not want me to film him because he's a bit touchy on stuff like that, social media and all that stuff. But we'll see. Look at the views. Some shops are closing down. Well, it's middle of a bloody night. But Thai people wake up in the middle of the night normally. It's hot in the day, so stay in bed and do stuff. Let's have a look, see what's going on. Some banging tunes in that vehicle. Never know, you might see a ladyboy in a minute. I'll try and point one out. There's shops. It's closed, shut down. Too late for them. Something I want to show you. I think it's really cool. Look at the path. Can you see it? You see it flashing to tell you that you're coming up to a junction. What the fuck is this? What the fucking hell's going on? See what I mean? It's just, this is a crazy town, mate. A literal craziness. And sometimes they have countdowns on them. Don't tell me she's a freelance, this one. Here we go. I spotted some crazy people. See what they say when I'm recording. It'd be hilarious. One of them's going to eject here. See what's going on. Watch this. Right, here we go. I'm at the best smoothie bar place. Smoothie, lovely, really nice. Cows on the beers. Because his birthday is 60 tomorrow. And he'll be 90.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Oh yeah, please, man.
Now happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Tôi kia bay này. Anh đi bay.
No, it's not Titanic. No, it's not.
I don't know. Oh God. You do it as well?
Bye, mate. Take it to it.
ถามว่ามีไฟไหมไปเอาไฟมาเขามีไฟหมดเลยไปเอาไฟมา To you
All right.
แรงอารมณ์มันแรงอ่ะ
21 today.
Oh, wow.
มันทีหนึ่งแล้ว
I bet I don't get a cake.
เดี๋ยวเอาไอ้นั่นมาเอาเลี้ยงเบียร์แกก่อนเดี๋ยวเปิดจุดไม้ Happy birthday Happy birthday
To me. To me.
Yeah, I've got a friend of mine who's a butcher. He's a mechanic by trade, but he was also a
I'm not your boyfriend. You want me to be your boyfriend?
We'll kill a venison. Well, he usually don't get shot. I know.
I don't know.
We'll just hang it up and he'll butcher it. I know.
I don't know, I have pictures of my phone. My sister, her
อะไร
house
คะ
has a secret
เอา
vault.
พ่นเลยค่ะเลย
Four walls with nothing but weapons.
What's this?
Stop dancing.
Keep dancing.
หมดแล้วเหรอ
Come on, there's a pole there.
That's 20 if you stop dancing.
Right, that's my night over with. It's kicking on 4 o'clock nearly. Man, it's hot. Oh, bloody hell. Here we go again, listen. Electric cables, all they do is buzz. So yeah, the girl you saw in the video, she's quite cute. Can't believe she's 47. She wanted to come back to my apartment. She said, who are you going to sleep with tonight? I said, me, myself and I. She didn't get the joke. I said, tomorrow night you come. These flashy lights, so cool, man. Why can't we have these in England? Whenever you approach a junction, you see them. Right, I'm going to call this the end of the video. I wish I'd put this into the other video, but I'd rendered the other video you'd seen before this, and my mate said he was at the smoothie bar. I thought, you know what, it's 11ish. Go out, don't just stay in, it's boring, you're on holiday. So you've gone away to experience Thai culture, you know, experience people, different worlds. So, different worlds, different places, different countries. And yeah, see how tomorrow goes really. If that woman's there, I don't know what her name is. If she's there, you know, happy days. If she's not, I'm gonna cry about it. Yeah, so I'll see you in the next one, guys.